Most traders lose money because they overcomplicate everything. This 15-second candle strategy with just 2 indicators changed that for me, and it took me less than a day to learn that. So now, without wasting a single time, let's get into the video. Okay, at first make sure that your chart is in Japanese candle and the timer of the candle should be 15 seconds and the time period should be 1 minute. As you can see, it's 1 minute. And after that, let's enable the indicator. The first indicator is MACD, as you can see here. Click on it, and after that let's edit the period. The fast period should be 13 and the slow should be 27 and the single should be 8, and let's make it 2 pixel. Okay, and let's save it. And now let's enable the second indicator, which is stochastic oscillator, and as you can see, and let's edit the period of this as well, 26 and 6 and 6, and let's save it. Okay, now we are all set. Let's choose the best currency. Okay, now let's start. As you can see, I have bought here because both of the indicator are going up and these are intersecting each other. As you can see, whenever this type of pattern will form, the chart will always go up, the candle will go up. So let's see what will happen. Both of the indicator are showing the uptrend. Okay, this is our first profit of the day. Now let's search for another, and yeah, as you can see, similar type of pattern it has formed. It is intersecting each other and it's also going up. So both of the indicators showing the chart will go up. So let's see what will happen. And this is very simple. It is one of the most simple strategy I have ever used, and it is also very accurate. As you can see, I have made the second profit of the day. Now let's search for another. Okay, as you can see, both of the indicator is going up. Okay, let's see what will happen. And I think we have made another profit. Okay, here is our another profit. Let's search for another. And as you can see, both of the indicator is showing down. That's why I sold here, and it's pretty simple, as you can see. Okay, I think this is our next profit. And yeah, I love this strategy. Okay, as you can see, here is the similar kind of pattern is formed, but it is short. So make sure the incline should be a bit more. Like let's wait for another candle and we will trade here. Okay, let's buy this because the indicator is not going down, it is showing the uptrend. So this will make me another profit. As you can see, it's going up and it's going more up. So okay, that was a close call. Okay, but we had made a profit there. So now we won't trade in this market, so let's search for another one. Okay, as you can see, the similar type of pattern is formed. Let's wait for a while. For this kind of strategy, you have to wait for a long period of time, because as you can see, it is forming down but it's again going up. So we won't trade here. So you should have a lot of patience because you have to search a lot. And as you can see, the similar is formed. Let's wait for a while and let's see if it goes up or down. If it goes up, we will skip it. Okay, it's going down. Okay, as you can see, the reason why I said you should have a lot of patience, because if I have traded here, then we had made a loss. So that's why we should have a lot of patience. Okay, as you can see, the market is going down and the both of the indicator is showing the down signal, and it is also intersecting each other. And as I said before, whenever this kind of pattern is formed, it will go down. Okay, let's see. For this kind of strategy, you need to have a lot of patience because you won't find this type of pattern every time. But whenever this kind of pattern is formed, then you will make a profit for sure. As you can see, I have made another profit. Okay, as you can see, it is trying to go up. So let's see, wait for another candle to form. No, it is fluctuating a lot, so we will skip it. Okay, as you can see, I have sold here because both of the indicator is showing downtrend and the chart is also going down. So this will make me another profit. Let's see what will happen. This is one of the most simple strategy I have ever used, and also the most accurate also, because in this strategy you won't have to do anything. You only have to see these two signal. If these both are going down, as you can see, we had made another profit. What I was saying, that if the both of the indicator is going down, and also by intersecting each other, and if the market is also going down, then that's an easy profit there. Now let's skip it and let's go for another. Okay, as you can see, the similar type of pattern is formed, and I have clicked on sell because both of these are intersecting each other and it's going down. And as you can see, the used two candles are formed, so most of the time this will always go down. So let's see what will happen, and I think we will make another profit, in my opinion, because whenever this big candle will form, then the market will go down. Not always, but sometimes it can go up, but most of the time it will go down. So now let's wait for a while, and okay, it's going down, and I think here we will make another profit. And yeah, that's another profit. Okay, let's search for another. And yeah, as you can see, it is going down, this is also going down, that's why I clicked on sold. Okay, it's going down. Okay, we have made another profit here. Okay, as you can see, we will buy here. So we are here, and let's see, I guess we have made another profit. So yeah, okay, that's all for now, and today we have made $814 in profit. We have started with 2000 and now we have 2814. And also remember, it's not 100% true that it will give 100% money. Sometimes you can make a loss as well, but most of the time this strategy will make you profit. And that's all for today, and see you in the next strategy video.